Okay, this is set to question number 4, in which it is given that in the first tau time after starting from rest. After starting from rest means starting from the extreme position. So if you draw the circle diagram or the phasor diagram here, so starting from rest means starting from this point A, or let's call this point as P actually. The radius is A. So initially already the particle was at P, which means extreme position, and in first tau time, so let's say the corresponding circular motion particle goes up to here. Let's call this point as Q in the first tau time. So in the first tau time the angle covered is theta, and let's say in the next tau time the angle covered is again theta only. Let's say here. Okay, so radius is A. So what we are going to do is we are going to draw a perpendicular. So when the circular motion particle goes from point P to point Q in the first tau time, its projection will go from point P to point Q dash. Alright. So what is the distance traveled? Distance traveled is A minus A cos theta. Why? Because this length is A cos theta. And that is given to be in the first tau time the distance traveled is small a. Okay. In the next tau time the distance traveled is 3a. So in the total time of 2 tau, the total distance traveled will be 3a. So in 2 tau time, where is the particle? In 2 tau time the angle covered will be double, like 2 theta angle. So after covering 2 theta angle, the circular motion particle will reach R. So let's draw a perpendicular. So its corresponding SHM particle has come to R dash. Now this length is A cos 2 theta. So what is the distance traveled by the SHM particle? The SHM particle has gone vertically downwards from P to R dash. So the distance traveled is A minus A cos of 2 theta. And what is this given to be? This is given to be 3a. Alright. Okay. Now we have got two equations and two unknowns. So two unknowns are capital A and theta. So what we can do is we can form a quadratic, because we know that cos of 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, or plus 1 or minus 1, 2 cos square theta, what was that? 1 plus something is there actually, I don't remember. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, like that. Yeah. So 1 plus, what is cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta will be A minus 3A by A. 2 cos square theta will be, so this is A minus A by A whole square. So from this quadratic you solve for A. Once you get the value of A, you substitute that value of capital A in this equation number 1 and get the value of theta. And once you will get the value of theta, like you have already calculated amplitude A from that two equations and two unknowns. So this A is already done. What about time period? Okay, time period you will calculate in terms of tau, because once you calculate theta, now you know how much angle is covered. So theta you know, and that angle covered theta is in tau time. So if theta angle takes tau time, that 2 pi angle will take how much time? For that you can calculate the time period in terms of tau.